through the gate, straight across. It's all a bit overgrown. Don't go in crops, keep on the side. Come on. Good boy. Walk on. Stand. Stand. Good lad. Stand. Alright. Don't let him go through. It's alright, I'll do it. Come on. Steady, steady. Down. Over. Over. Go on. Go on over. Go on over, Farouk. Go on. Up you go. Good boy. Stand. Over. Stand. Over. Steady. Come on, Farouk. Come on. It's a bit of sheep's wool. Now, come on. Now that bit of netting there, they both of them shied at last time I was here. So we'll just walk past that. I don't know what they think it is, but they were not happy with it, either of them. Come on, Boo. Come on. Stop it. Stop it. Now. Come on. Get your act together. Little canter. Drizzling.
Farouk is being exceptionally spooky.
Stop it now. trot on. Go on. And trot. And walk. Steady. Over. Over. Come on. Down. Good boy. Right, little canter along here. Steady away. Oh, what's that? Lap wing, right out. Get that on camera then. with name of breed. Ah, canter. Steady. Stick. Come on. Stop that. Slower. Be silly. Silly. Get on, Rook. Get on. On. Everything and anything, dude. Just shine at everything today. Aren't you? Right, boy. And walk. Stand. 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 Wait. Good boy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to close this. Go on. Go on. Over. No. Oh, well, that was you, wasn't it, being silly? Get back. I'm going to leave it. There's no stock, is there? Oh, yes, there is cows. Can you get back on? No. Okay. Stop it, Farouk. there's a bit of a rut here. You might be able to put Apollo in this rut and stand off banking. Is that about... He's got it over his ear. You want to be the left side of him anyway. That's it. That's it. Well done. And you need to put your weight in the left, that's it. That's it, lovely, that's even that up. Just check your girth before you set off, make sure it's not. Check your girth. Just put your hand down and see if it's loose. Between the straps. Oh. Right, we'll get off and tighten it up then. Whichever side it's easiest. Take hold of the rein. Just loop it in your arm, the crook of your arm.
I told Steve to dismount to do the girth up because Apollo's girth is an H girth made by Wow, and it is really difficult to do up when you're seated on the horse.
Yeah, good, okay. Well, Farouk's just been Farouk, really. He's just spooking at anything that he feels like, which is really annoying. I don't know. Yeah. Do you want to come across here and have a canter along here? Just steady away. Canter. Right, we'll slow down now. Farouk. Go on.
I hope you'll join us in part 2, where we have a load of cows come right round us. Hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, don't forget to thumbs up and a comment if you can manage it. Thanks very much. TTFN.